Good morning, everybody. Holistic Travel Guy here, and I'm currently at the Wiehle-Reston East Metro Station. And here's an overview of the entire metro system in the DC area. I wanted to today show you how easy it is to purchase or add money to your Metro card using one of these machines, which are located right next to the turnstile entrance, which is right over there. And they're located very conveniently and for easy access and easy use. So here's what a Washington DC area Metro card looks like. It's called Smart Trip. It's got a big M and a couple iconic symbols, including the Washington Monument. So just follow the instructions on the screen. Starting with, oh, by the way, if you don't have cash, which I'm going to use today, I'm going to add $5 to my card. They also take all of these credit cards. So to begin, you simply insert your card here, where it shows you a little icon of the card, and we're going to check our balance. Whoops, oh, scan it here, sorry. Scan your card here, and it'll say your balance up here. It says I've got a balance of $14. Wow, that's pretty good. Let's push on Smart Benefits. Card total, $14. Okay, so I don't have to add money after all. I thought it was a zero balance, but if you did want to add money, just scan your card. It'll show you, and then you put your bills in over here. Now it does give change, like say you wanted to add $4 instead of $5. It does give change in the form of $1 coins, and your money return is right down there. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump on the train, because according to this, I've got 14 bucks on my smart card. Let's just clear that. Clear it by pushing this cancel button and scan it again. You just hold the card up against the scanner right there, and again it says card total 14 bucks. So I'm going to head right over to the turnstiles and show you how easy it is to get through one of these.